Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí ìkànnì àṣà àwọn èdè Yorùbá lórí Ọba Àyíkí TV. Àyíkí ni èmi jẹ́ Ògúnmọ̀lẹ́ ọmọ kọ́ńdú oníwọ̀ àfìlùkọrin fìlùsọ̀rọ̀ kọ́mọlédè àtàṣà Yorùbá. Ẹ káàbọ̀ tó bá yẹ pé ẹ̀ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń darapọ̀ mọ́ wa bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń wo ìkànnì yìí ibi báyìí la ti ń kọ́ni ní àṣà à ń kọ́ni ní èdè Yorùbá. You don't understand what I'm saying, right?
Stop it!
Okay, so this is the channel where we promote culture, language, and everything that has to do with Yoruba culture. And this episode, we're going to be teaching you some things in Yoruba. We started a few episodes, and in case you are just seeing this, you can go back and check on the playlist and see number of episodes that we've done on how to speak Yoruba, and we have for how to play the talking drum as well. Numerous of them, more than 40, and it's still counting. Welcome to class. Today, what am I going to be talking about? What are we going to be saying? I'm going to be teaching Yoruba. Èso ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Alright, ẹ já bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti bí. Ọsàn, orange, ìyẹn ní Yorùbá. Ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀, that is banana. Tẹ́ bá mọ̀, ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀, òun ni banana. Ọsàn is orange. We have mango àbí mangoro. Ẹ lè ní mango àbí kẹ́ ní mangoro. Ìbẹ́pẹ, that is pawpaw. Ìbẹ́pẹ, pawpaw. Àgbọn ń bẹ, àgbọn, that is coconut. Àgbọn ń bẹ, coconut. Àgbọn, coconut. Òroǹbó, that is lime. Òroǹbó is lime. Cherry àbí kẹ́ wọn ká ní African star apple, whatever. Àgbálùmọ̀ ńlá wá pè. Àgbálùmọ̀ ńlá wá ń pè. Tí ẹ mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń pè ní ìrèké. Ìrèké is sugarcane. Ìrèké is sugarcane. Èso àlùkò, that is plum. Plum is èso àlùkò. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ìgbá, that is garden egg. Ìgbá tàbí ikàn. Ìgbá tàbí ikàn, that is garden egg. Groundnut, ẹ̀pà, òun nìyẹn. Groundnut, ẹ̀pà. Go into the comment section. So tell me names of fruits that you know in Yoruba and the ones you don't know. If you want to say anyone, just comment it in this comment section. The fruits you want to know the Yoruba name, then I will immediately answer you in the comment section. See you again next time. My name is Ayiki. Bye.